There it goes. I see no cars around the corner. Let's see how it does here. Oh, 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 oh. 44 kilometers an hour. Pretty quick pace on an up and down kind of windy trail. Oh, hit a little bush. Hey everyone, Cody here. I have my DJI Neo connected to my iPhone right now. I'm at this little park here up on the kind of mountainside near Taipei downtown. I came up here to show you guys the tracking ability of the DJI Neo when it's connected to the phone. So a lot of people are buying this drone because they think that it's going to track them all over the place flawlessly, and the truth is that it's going to do a pretty good job, but it's going to have some situations where it's not going to be able to track you that well. So I wanted to demonstrate when and why it's not going to do such a great job and when and why it's going to do a good job. So let's just do a simple little demonstration right here. I'm going to launch the drone. I'm going to walk around this park and show you guys kind of how it works. 2, 1. And I'm just going to start walking this way. Okay, and right here we're almost having a problem where we're almost running into these posts over here. So it is doing a pretty good job of tracking me, but it would be very easy for me to crash the drone because there's no sensors. It can't see what's around it. Okay, so for some reason it stopped the recording right there and it started orbiting in one place. This is one of those flaws that I'm talking about. I can't figure out if there's a setting inside the mobile app that will allow it to just continue to record. So there's nothing that is gonna allow me to just continue to record. If I stop moving, it stops recording. But let's do another flight real quick and I'll show you how easy it is to crash the drone. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go over that way. I want it to go that way. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna back it up and there it goes. Crashed right onto the rocks, right down here in the dirt. Not fun. Nobody wants to crash their drone. Even my ND filter popped off. Where did that guy go? So this is gonna take me a second. No scratches, no cracks, luckily for me. It can take a beating, so this can crash on the ground quite a few times. I've already crashed it like that a lot, like maybe 10 times, and hardly even a scratch on it. Let's get back to the tracking test. Okay, let's get going fast again and see how it does. I'm going 20, 30. Still on me. I'm going 33. So it lost me. Let's see if it'll pick me back up. That was pretty cool though. Okay, so Neo did a really good job there, flying through those little churns. I can't imagine you needing to go much faster than that, tracking yourself. I think most people are gonna be doing these kind of talking head tracks like this. So let me get back on the bike real quick and we get moving. Also, this is in kilometers per hour. So this is 10 kilometers, no problem. Let's go fast, no cars. He's tracking me just fine. Okay, let's go quick up the hill here. I can't lose this thing. At least not on this flat, clear road like this. I see no cars around the corner. Let's see how it does here. Oh, 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 oh. Wow, that was really close. That was really, really close. So it washed out there around the corner, trying to keep up with me because we were going so fast. So you really got to be careful around the corners. You can see it almost hit this mirror. It just went right through that little clearing. I can't believe it didn't crash. So you really want to be careful in the corners. The straightaways, it seems like you can go really fast. Let's see how fast I can go. 44 kilometers an hour. Again, the washout, you got to be really careful with the corners. Let's go down through here again. This was fun. It's like these are mellow corners. And that was a lot. That's definitely faster than you should be going. So I think to be comfortably tracking with it, you need to be going like maybe 15 or 20. It won't let me get too far away, but you can see this like 15 to 20 kilometers an hour zone, this range. It's not gonna have a hard time. Cool. So if you're going slower like this, it's gonna be okay. But if you go fast, you're gonna run into problems like what I did around this corner. So I'm gonna go slower around this corner this time, and it should just be smooth and slow, tracking me no problem, just like this. Okay, so let's go a little bit farther over here. This is fun. I haven't tracked the Neo this hard. Let's go around the corner. I can't remember what's up over here. Oh, there's like a temple. There's a nice view of 101. Oh, I better get up there. That looks like the sunset is happening. So I'm gonna turn around right up here and we'll do another fast. I don't wanna crash it going that fast. Like it could break for sure going that quick. Luckily there's not people. I mean, there's only a couple people walking around right here. So it still got me, did the little U-turn right there. Anywhere it's straight, I'm gonna try to go faster. I know there's a big corner right here, so I'm gonna slow down. It still got me, no problem. Okay, let's go fast again. So I'm gonna try to go up the hill here and see if I can catch a nice view of the sunset. Get over onto the hike real quick, and I'm gonna test up on the skinnier hiking trails too. That was really my goal, was to test the tracking, not really to show you guys beautiful videos today. But if I get a nice shot, then I'll be able to show you guys that. So yeah, if you wanna know where this location is, I'll drop the information down in the bottom of this video. This maybe is not the most beautiful spot, but I promise you, flying a drone up above these trees over that little hill over there on that side is epic. It's like one of the best views of Taipei 101. Okay, so I don't see a address here, but this temple, I haven't been up through this one, but there should be a little hiking connection trail up through here. This one is the closest. This gets you the best shortcut up to Thumb Peak. And then if you want to go to Elephant Mountain, there's another temple down the road that way. So this is kind of cool. On the way up, I'll show you these kind of interesting statues. Like, they're pretty good quality too, like the detail of his face and everything. Pretty cool. So let's go hiking up through here, see if we can get to a nice viewpoint. But really what I want to show you guys is some track. This building's all dilapidated. Yeah, I think I can just go right there up those stairs and it gets me right onto the trail. As you can see, you just walk up through here. Should be this trail right here. And just keeps going up. Beautiful, actually. There's some nice little flowers in here. Oh man, I'm already dying. It's good I'm doing this because ski season's coming up. Check out this like bamboo forest right here. So I'm gonna go fast because I can see the gold on the horizon over here. Means probably gonna get a nice shot. So now I've got the Neo following me down this trail. I don't see anybody, so I'm gonna just run through the trail, give you guys an example of what this can do. Make sure everything's secure in my bag. There's some little branches, so I wouldn't be surprised if the Neo runs into it. Like right here, there's some bamboo that it could easily run into. Hopefully we get a nice sunset. So this trail leads us up to Thumb Peak, and there's a viewpoint along the way in Thumb Peak that is just beautiful. Positioning, fly with caution. I think it's trying to tell me that maybe the GPS is lost. I don't know, but this is what it looks like running a medium pace, pretty quick pace on an up and down kind of windy trail. Oh, hit a little bush. Okay, just like I said, it hit one of those bushes, but it's just continuing to follow me. What a little beast, okay? Okay, some people here, so I'll stop. It's pretty dark in here. We'll see how the Neo does. Still just cruising up this trail. This is mellow, this steepness right here. This is nothing. I'm a little, okay, so we're getting into some zones that have some really steep areas right here. Like if the Neo crashed and went down there, it's gonna be pretty hard for me to get down there and get it back. So that's a good example of what the Neo can do for trail runners. It's not gonna see the small sticks. Oh, I really wanna hurry because we're gonna get this beautiful view. Okay, I'm cruising. I've got the steep section of stairs coming up. Okay, I've reached the stairs. You'll know you're here when you reach this circle right here and the trail goes to dirt and the steep ass stairs to the left. There's also a sign right here. It tells you U-shaped lookout, Mount Mujishan. Doesn't say anything about Thumb Peak, but we're looking for U-shaped lookout, steep stairs, dirt trail right here with the big Chinese sign on the rock right there. Circle, so that's how you know you got to the right spot. Go up these stairs. Good luck. I don't run them because I burn out super quick if I run. Just walk. It's really not that far. It's not it's just steep. This is all extra, by the way, too, because with this video, I really just wanted to show you guys the tracking with the bike, how fast it can go, pros and cons of going faster on corners, and then running on the trail. So this video is done. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, it's steep. And it's just around the corner, it just keeps going. Okay, so this is the viewpoint I really like because you get some grass and some tree framing the view that you get out. But I think because the sun still hasn't come down under those clouds, I think I can make it up to Thumb Peak, which is right there. So you go up this trail and there's a sneaky little entrance to get up there. I think I can get up there because the sunset is at 5:04 and it's 4:45 or so right now. So here's the lookout. Top of Thumb Mountain. Don't keep going that way. You're going to run into a small temple on the side of the hill, which looks cool, but that's not how you get up to Thumb Mountain or Thumb Peak. This way. Almost there. You can see a bit of a little scramble coming up this stuff. Careful, because you could fall down this over here. Oh, a little wind. Made it. Perfect timing. Gonna get it. Got lucky, huh?
Really lucky. This
Yeah.
is beautiful.
Yeah. So this is the top 101. Oh, the wind feels a little stronger than I thought. But check this out. I think it's pretty incredible what the DJI Neo can do by just connecting to a smartphone. I mean, I was going 30, 40 kilometers an hour down that road. Now, when it comes to trail running, this is probably the tightest trail that you could do. And because I was going up and down, the Neo was going up and down, and it doesn't have a directional sensor, so it's not gonna be able to see those sticks. And like we ran into that problem down there. I think anything clear and open is gonna do a pretty good job. I mean, it might run into something, but like you saw, I crashed the drone pretty hard today, no problem. I've crashed the drone a couple times. I've even crashed it into some water, and luckily I got it out of the water quick enough. I think it was in the water for about 20 seconds, and luckily it dried out, and now I call this my zombie DJI Neo. Beautiful view here. If you do come up here, make sure that you bring a flashlight. Long wrap up on this video. DJI Neo, amazing tracking capabilities. And yeah, should you get one? It's up to you. Leave me a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, there's a flying squirrel right up there. He's running around. I'm like right underneath him. There he is. Oh, I just saw him fly. He's right there. Could you guys see that? He's right there. There. Check that out. That is a giant red flying squirrel. That was so cool. I hope I got it on video.